Here I have Samsung Galaxy M01 Core, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the display section and go to the wallpaper. Here you can select one of these pre-installed wallpapers, or you can just go to the gallery and pick any other image or like photo and set it as a wallpaper. Let's pick this one for example. Here you can adjust it and then just tap done. And as you can see now I have this wallpaper on my lock screen and also my home screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.